In this tutorial session, let's talk about string indexing and escape characters. A way to think of indexing is each character in a string is associated with the number starting at 0. An escape character allows us to use characters that will not cause a syntax error. Starting with the string index, let's write the truth as a variable with the value of "you are awesome." All indexes start at 0. Therefore, the first letter, which is Y, is indexed 0. I'm going to write a comment that will help us visualize the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The complete string stops at index 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, including the spaces. We use the variable and the square brackets to get characters from the string by writing print the truth, square brackets. If we specify an index, we will get the character at that position. For example, to return the first character, which is Y, we write 0 inside the square brackets, then run. The console returns Y. To return the letter A, we change 0 to 4 because the fourth index. Bingo, the console returns the letter A. Python also lets us use a negative index. A negative index starts from the end, which is E, and it's the first index from the end. Therefore, we write -1. And let's see what happens when I run. The console returned E. To return the capital letter A, we can either write 8 as a positive number, but starting from the back, we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7 would also give us the letter A. Bingo. The console shows letter A. Indexing a string allows us to also define a range. The range is from one index to another index. Here is the catch. It includes the starting index, but does not include the ending index. The substring would get everything from the starting index, then leave off the last index number. For example, the start index is 0, and a colon will help identify a range. 0 is for the letter Y, and the ending index will be number 9. We see W is index 9, but W will not be included. The letter A will be our last substring letter. Let's run. You are A. All right, we covered positive and negative indexes. So let me ask you a question. What will the substring be if I make the end index -1? Let's run. You are awesome without an E because it's not supposed to include the last letter. The range starts at 0 and stops at M. Now, I want to show you one more thing when it comes to these negative numbers. If a negative number is not included, by default, it will include the 0, last letter. You are awesome. Now, escape characters help us do one thing. It helps us to not have a syntax error. So that's why I'm going to copy the variable and the value, and I'm going to show you how syntax errors are prevented using an escape character. What if I wanted to add an apostrophe to this string by writing, "You're awesome"? Do you see the syntax error? A syntax error is when the Python interpreter does not recognize our code. It's not valid. That's why it has a red line. The quote lets the interpreter know when our string starts and stop. In this case, the string starts at Y and stop at the letter U. Everything after the second quote is not recognized, so it causes a syntax error. To fix this issue, we replace single quote with double quote. Now, someone could say, you know what? I would just use a double quote all the time. But suppose I want to remove the apostrophe and add double quotes around the word awesome. We have another syntax error. The string "you are" included, but awesome is not included. We have a syntax error that will be fixed by using single quotes at the beginning and end. Therefore, we see in this example, the single quotes fix the error. So we see in certain cases, single quotes and double quotes return a syntax error. That's why we have escape characters. And this is the part I wanted to show you. So let me start over with this value and write double quotes, "You are awesome," and double quotes around awesome. And we see the syntax error. Awesome is not recognized as part of the string. An escape character consists of a backslash followed by a character we want to add to our string. For example, we want to add double quotes around awesome. Therefore, we add one backslash in front of each double quote and the error goes away. To prove the error goes away, let's print the truth and run. "You are awesome" is what the console showed. It also works for the apostrophe. Change the string back to single quotes, "You're awesome." To make this error goes away, we add a backslash in front of "you awesome." And let's run again. "You are awesome." We can use escape characters, this backslash, for a lot of commands. We can use it for a tab and a new line. To tab, we write "You are awesome," backslash T, followed by "so smile." "You are awesome, so smile." Both phrases will be separated on the same line. Let's run. "You are awesome, so smile." And this shows the tab. To skip a line, all I need to do is change T to N. And this time they'll be separated, but on different lines. "You are awesome, so smile." Know what? That's it for indexing and escape characters. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next session.